This is the Galaxy A26, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the settings or set up the side button on your phone. And to do this, you need to first open the quick settings panel here by swiping down from your screen, and then tap on the power off button. Now in here you can tap on side button settings to open this page here, or you can just go to the settings, advanced features, and in here tap on side button. Now in here you can set up the double press shortcut here. You can open the camera or turn on the flashlight, and you can also set up the long press here. You can select it to open the digital assistant like this, or you can just open the power off menu. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.